wasn't 21. Well, I was 21, but my sideways ID didn't come in yet. But today it did. So now we going to go pick it up. I'll see y'all when we get in there. Yeah, we just got up out of there. Actually, impact with the, you feel me, cat there. You feel me? Just to be safe, gotta throw it in there. You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna unpack it with y'all. This is gonna be my first look. They ain't really let me look at it in there like that. Buddy, like, I'm like, can I record in there? He like, nope, I don't want you recording me. If your girl on YouTube, say that then. Pow. But yeah, y'all see we got the Taurus G3 Tactical. As Brady said in there, tactical. Face ass, boy. Yeah, so I'll get back to y'all when we back at the crib. Open it for y'all. Alright, so we back. Sorry for my squeaky chair. You already know what it is.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so as we get into the gun, I have had a chance to, again, mag in. Got the, I have had to, ooh. Oh my God.
Nice.
Alright, so how this feels in my hand, I have big hand, so when the mag is out, this is very uncomfortable for me. So like, you see how my finger could easily slip off, but if we put a mag in, the regular stock mag, it comes with 2 stock 17 round mags. Other mag is in here. No, we're clear. Let me. Alright, so I actually like these mags. They made by Medgar. Again, 17 round mag. I really like. It feels really, durable, and it has a yellow follower. Let's see. It does have, it comes with 2 of these. Alright, let me show you. It comes with 2 mags, and it also comes with 2 of these extender, but it goes around the mag. Because if it didn't have this on the 17 round mag, it'd be, So, it was nice of Taurus to add that up in there. That's how it looks. And it does have like a little indentation, so you have very good, as I drop it, you have very good control of it going in. That's how it looks like when it's in. It comes with suppressor height, so it's, as you can see down the lines. It does come with the 17 round mag. So I took it upon myself to. So this is the base plate from. I will be doing a separate tutorial about this, installing this, because I have another one to get thrown on here. But yeah, I've ran a couple mags through this. It's been nice to me, and I'll do a review video on that later. So I don't want to get too hung up on that. So with it in there, as you see, the yellow follower, gun. You see straight through it like a, you feel me? Yeah, see straight through it. So you throw this in, my pinky used to slip off. Well, even with this one, like, it gives like a little nice cushion, but I'm more of a, because of this right here, I'll have to get somebody to sand that down or do that myself, so my finger could sit up higher, because right now this hurts my finger a little bit. I actually like this feel. It's like a little cup at the end, you feel me? Once again, I do have large hands, so with this. Yeah, I see. Oh, this one and this one, I just love how I feel because that is there. Because that is there, it irritates my finger. I can slide my fingers down and let it rest a little bit more. So this just giving me better real estate and control. So you have a 20+1 round mag. And a 17+1 round mag. I have Princess Peach's tiara, whatever how you say that, tiara, and I can't put it on because somebody at Taurus, hold on, let me get y'all close up to this. Somebody at Taurus, strong body, put some Loctite on them things. Hold on.
Mario, it's horrible. Hey, did bitch get kidnapped again or something? It's worse.
Somebody at Taurus, strong body, made me strip this screw.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
With the Loctite. This one I was able to struggle with, but actually get it off. But this one, it just immediately stripped on me. Like one of them is hard to get off, then it just, then it's never the same again. So yeah, and once again, this is with clear, everything drop slide. This is how those high sights are. I was focusing on the back one right now. But yeah, it's a pretty nice, for the bang for the buck. Actually, this is the cheapest Taurus G3 Tactical on the market right now. Before taxes and shipping and everything, I got this for $374. It has this nice texture. I like this texture. This is my first gun that I've ever purchased, so I'm not, but this is some good texture. I ain't even gonna lie, after shooting the 50 rounds, I wanted to shoot more. And it was crazy because, oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that in the background. Y'all see that in the background. I'm gonna get to that. Maybe this video, I'm gonna save it for next video. But yeah, that's there doing this thing. Y'all already know what happened with that. But back to this. So, when I got this, I really was inspecting. I really have my whole build ready for this gun. I just certain things are holding me back right now. But this build is dang near complete on paper. It just has to became into fruition. That's why you write things down on paper, because once it's written out, it's gonna come to you. This is once again the Taurus G3 Tactical with the 21 round. And once again, I do have big hands, so it fits smooth. Even with the stock mag, with the sleeve. Oh, I like that a little bit. Oh. Well, the other reason why I'm trying to get sponsored by Taurus.
Stop it. Get some help.
Is I love how they had these serrations, kind of. Not even serrations, but like divots and finger pad placement pads.
A few moments later.
But yeah, they have like places for your fingers to be manicured. It's only right side slide release. So we got the front slide serrations, the rear slide serrations, both sides, and then we got the threaded barrel. Slap that back now. Once again, we're clear again. Both mags are out. So it also came with a pouch over here for the plates, because this is the Toro version. It comes with a different plate, some other slide cuts. They are numbered in the pamphlet that they come with up here. I've already went through this, but make sure to go through this. They give you a $30 rebate, and then they also gave me some gummy bears. Like, I am not kidding. Those gummy bears y'all see right here, they gave me those. But it also comes with this, dealing with the G. Oh, and so this build name is, I want to introduce you all to Princess Peach. And then because I was trying to throw on the red dot sight that I have for her tiara, Princess Peach's tiara, I had some other little accessories or whatever. But I'm most likely going to have to contact Taurus and see if I could get another one of these. Screws sent out to me. What you throw the stock mines on? It's tough. It's tough. The cheapest Taurus G3 Tactical on the market right now. It also comes with because Princess Peach has a threaded barrel, they gave her another recoil spring for when you throw a can on her. And it also comes with the gun lock, you know. That's all that comes in the box. I didn't even show y'all, because normally Taurus has the reputation of sending things in brown boxes, but I feel like Taurus needs to sponsor me.
Nice.
Because the way that they're going in this industry is the right way. Since I've had this, I've added the +3 extended plate. I'm going to do a video on that, give you guys more information and where you can get that from. YouTube, I am not a firearms dealer. This is just a video telling everyone my experience. This is my first gun, and I'm just starting all this gun stuff, so y'all really going to be able to see me grow. I've always wanted a gun since I was 7-year-old. This is what I always wanted, so now I'm able to do this legally. But now I'm able to get these things. I've waited my turn until I turned 21, you know. Now we legal. The +3 base plate, making it 21 like it could drink. The one up top. I've gotten this Olight back here. It's charging because I'm trying to, you know, do montages and everything. It died. How you gonna die? Mid-video, bro. Mid-montage. I'm not even gonna give y'all a list. I mean, y'all just gonna have to wait. Y'all gonna see some of my attachments that I never really told y'all about. I'm eventually gonna do a video about it. Just like this carbon fiber bucks holster. You know? And then that's how it fits in there. Once again, the gun is clear. No bullets. So yeah, like this. You know? That's how that fits in there. That's the holster when I'm not running lazy, you know, I'm just chilling. But then, so this would be the stock. This would be the stock look, right? Once again, yellow follower. This would be the stock look, right? Princess Peach does not look good like that. Princess Peach is made to be beautiful, nice, a little, never afraid to get lost, but she always come back at the end of the day, you feel me? Clear. Watch the transformation.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now when we throwing the intangibles for right now, Princess Peach. Her build hasn't even started, so I don't want to name this no V1 build. I'm just trying to, I know everything that I want to do to this, and you guys are going to be part of everything. So once again, like, comment, subscribe. gotta, yeah, she do that.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.